So you've learned some bar chords, but you don't know how they go together in a key signature. So in this video, I'm going to show you using the musical alphabet how you play your bar chords in each key signature. Hi, my name's Shelley. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and performer, and I've been playing the guitar for 50 years. And I'm on a mission to help new beginner guitar players like yourselves go from being a beginner to becoming a confident guitar player. Bar chords. So you've learned some, or maybe you haven't learned any at all. So if you are still learning and having some difficulties, I suggest that you go back and you watch one of my videos here where I teach you how to play your first bar chord. And maybe you've learned some bar chords, but you're still having a little bit of struggle how to name each chord. So I have another video that you can go to here, and it's Learn Bar Chords Fast. And it's where I teach you using the 6th and 5th string, the notes of each string, how you name your bar chords. So if you know your bar chords, pretty good, and now you're ready to play some, but you're not sure how to play in each position and for each key signature, then this video is for you. So using the musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I'm going to show you the bar chords in each key signature, the 3 major bar chords, and the different positions that you can play on the neck of the guitar. So we're going to start with the key of A. So there are 2 different ways that you can play chords in the key of A. So you can do A here, D, E. Or you can play A, D, E. Now moving on to B, you have B, E, and F sharp. So we got B, E, F sharp. Or you could play B, E, F sharp. And another way is B, E, F sharp. Next key signature is C. So in that key signature we have C, F, and G. So you could play C, F, G. Or you could play C, F, G. Or you could play C, F, G. Next key signature is D, and that key signature we have D, G, and A. So you can play D, G, A. Or you could go D, G, A, or D, G, A. In the key of E, we have E, A, and B. So we can either start up here, E, a little harder on the acoustic, a lot easier on an electric guitar. So you got E, A, and B. Or you could go E, open, A, B. Or you could go E, A, B. Key of F, we have F, B flat, and C. F, B flat, C, or F, B flat, C. And then lastly but not least is key of G. So we have G, C, and D. So you can go G, C, D, or G, C, D. So notice in each key signature how I moved around. I could either go sliding up the neck quite a bit, or I could stay in close proximity here and play those chords as well. Also depends on the sound that you're trying to achieve. If you're playing along to a song or just for your own ear, that you're just like, I don't like the higher sound of those strings, but I do like the sound of these lower strings. So that kind of determines where you play your chords. If you're still not understanding, the beauty of this is that you can just back up this video and watch it over and over again. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got a better understanding of how to play your bar chords in different key signatures and the different positions that you can play them in. Let me know in the comments below if it was helpful for you. And if you want to watch more lessons, I have a full playlist. I'll put a link up above here so that you can go there and watch all the other videos. If you like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Helps me get into the algorithm so that more people see this video. If you feel that it would be beneficial for anybody else to watch, please give it a share. And also, please subscribe and tap that little notification button so you get notified when I upload a new video, which I do every Monday morning. Until then, keep playing guitar and I'll see you in the next video.